Hello everyone, today I'm excited to work on our second design together. You can find everything you need in your fashion design kit. There is a patterns for 3 designs and there is also an instruction for different type of design and ideas. For this design you need to find the patterns which is marked as skirt 2 and design number 2 top. On your sewing patterns, cut them out and cut the same pieces from the fabric. As you see, I pre-cut already a symmetrical top and skirt. Please find different fabric choices in your box. I have chosen a stretchy fabric with a floral print. Let's see how it looks on the mannequin. It's important to ensure that the open side seam of the skirt lines up with the side seam of the top. Are you ready to start sewing? So first I'm laying my skirt flat with the right side facing up. The right side is the bright side of the fabric, while the back side is lack of color. It will not be visible. Therefore, the right side should face you. Place the right side of your top facing down the skirt. To make it easier, you can pin or clip 2 layers of fabric together. Both methods are correct. You will find all the necessary tools in your kit. I am opening up my skirt's waistline and placing the top over it. Then I will start pinning and preparing to sew. I'm ready to sew with seam allowance 0.8 to 1 cm. I will use a zigzag stitch to maintain the fabric flexibility. If you choose a non-stretch material, you may use just a regular straight stitch with a length about 2.5 to 3 mm length. Basically, all stretch material we should use a zigzag stitch. I just finished sewing the seam. As you see, one side of my dress is shorter than the other. My top is also asymmetrical. Now I just need to sew the side seam and the shoulder seam. And we are basically done with this dress. It's so quick and cute design and it's very easy to make. I hope you're enjoying that. Once again, I'm flipping my dress the right side facing me. Now I'm joining my shoulder line. I need to pin or clip that, and also I need to join my side seam afterwards. One more tip, guys, if you would like to change the top style or the skirt style, for example, you want to make it not asymmetrical but just a regular A-line skirt or a full circle or half circle, you can find different designs, patterns in your set, and then you can mix and match different top with different bottoms. So you can do one shoulder top and use a one length skirt, for example, for this design. I'm ready to sew my side seam with 0.8 to 1 centimeter seam allowance, and same for my shoulder seam. Here we go. I just finished sewing my shoulder seam and the side seam. And now it's time to decorate our dress. Let's sit on the mannequin first. Here we go. Our dress is ready and I would like to add a little bell to my dress. I think this purple color look very cute. You will find lots of options for the ribbons in your set as well. And I'm super excited to see your design, guys. Please comment on how your dress look like, and if you have any troubles, you can always ask a question down here below. I will be happy to answer to you. And send me some pictures, and you can also tag me on Instagram to share your creations. Thank you for watching and happy sewing!